Hello and welcome to the second part of this video. This is the unboxing part. I would like to open the box, show you what is inside of the box, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's start. This part will be just in English. Sorry for the German-speaking people, but I think you will understand this part also very easily. I will tell also some words in German. So let's open it. What do we have inside? We have inside a box in a box. So let's put it on the side. We have a box in a box. So what we have here, we have the stereo cells. Wir haben das Gehirn von dem Ding. We have a box with a lot of things inside. Yeah. We have, and we have some user manuals, quick start guide, and the LCD, the monitor. Good, perfect. So now we have the adapter. We have here the Cable Connector. Das ist der Anschlusskabel. Das geht in dem Gerät rein und das ist der Standard. This is the standard connector for any hi-fi car stereo. We have here the GPS antenna, microphone, USB cable, USB connector. This is a Wi-Fi antenna. Again, USB cable. One more Wi-Fi antenna. And two extra connectors. Yeah. So, I'm not losing time with all this bad boys. We will see them live on the boat by the installation. I just go to the screen. Hallelujah. Wow, this is huge. You see this? This is huge. Wow. See this. This looks really very nice. Schaut ihr euch das an? I don't know, is this plastic or aluminium? It looks like aluminium, but I don't know, it looks like bronze or something like that. This is the screen. You see this? Looks really nice. Here you have the connector for the microphone, and here's the reset button. Yeah, I will put it in the plastic again till we go to the boat and install it on the boat. Keep it secure. Yep. Good, and let's see what we have here. We have here the stereo self. We have here the GPS antenna. We have here two Wi-Fi connectors. This is what? This is 4G DIV and 4G PRI. Good, perfect. Two USB connectors, connector for USB cables. There are different input and outputs. Here we have the connector, the standard connector, or the connector for the cable, which goes to the standard connector. Here we have wireless LAN, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LAN, Bluetooth 2, and this is for the SIM card. You can connect your SIM card here with internet connection, and you can, et voila, you can have internet directly on the adapter, or you can maybe also make phone calls. Good. I think that's it. I will put it back again in the box and show you some technical details about this box. I hope you enjoyed. So, dear friends, now we are on the website from Joying. I would like to give you some technical details. This is the website where I bought this adapter from. You see the price is in dollar. This means in euro something like 300, I don't know, 310 euro or something like that. Then if you live in Europe, there's a shipment warehouse where you have to pay $40 extra to send it faster. I did that, and it took actually 2 or 3 days. Then I received the adapter. I don't know why these guys are making this. I mean, if I'm in Europe, I order it in Europe, then send it from the warehouse in Europe. Why I have to pay extra that this adapter will be sent from Europe? I mean, if I not pay it, what will happen? They will send it from China till in my address, and they have 20 pieces of them in the warehouse in Europe. Okay, that doesn't give me a sense. Okay, that's not the point. It's okay. I would like to give you some technical details about the adapter. The adapter has Android 10. It's an octa-core, 1.8 gigahertz, 64-bit. 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. There's another model of this adapter where you can also order it with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. I don't need this size. For me, is this actually more than enough? Especially as I can connect also, I can put some other information or some other datas on a micro SD card, and this support a 64 gig micro SD card and also 500 gigabyte external hard drive. Good. Bluetooth 5.1, a modern Bluetooth. Connector for microphone, built-in microphone and extra microphone. As I showed you, the voltage is between 10 and 14 voltage. Usually you on the boat or also on your car you have 12 volt. The temperature between minus 40 and plus 80. Okay, nice to have. The amplifier, the power of the amplifier is 50 watt on each channel, and that means 4 times 50 watt is 200 watt. For me, more than enough. If I need more, I can put also how to say it, Verstärker, amplifier. Good. 2 USB connectors, and you can connect your hard drive. Supported Android, most of the Android apps. I think the Navionics and all of these navigation apps will be supported. Good. What is also important? The languages for sure. Then some of the adapters just support 2 languages, English and Chinese. This one can support more. Then you have built-in GPS. Now, GPS built in Google Maps is not built-in GPS because the GPS antenna is extra. You don't have video out. That means if you play movie, you cannot play it on an external bigger monitor. But what you have is with video in. This means if you have a camera, you can connect the camera, especially for your car. This is good. And yeah, watch what happens behind or in front of you. This is from the technical details of this adapter. It's the SIM card, which SIM card is supported. The European SIM card, and I think the American SIM card is also supported. Yeah, some pictures of this adapter, the monitor, and you see here the microphone and the reset button. Just show you, yeah, the slot for the SIM card. I would like to show you something which I didn't show you by the unboxing, which is this one. This is the connector for the SD card slot, micro SD card. Okay, and here is again, you have again here a reset button. Yeah, that's it. This is this is what's included in the package. Yeah, that's it. I will put the link of the website on my video, and if you would like, you can buy it directly from the website. There is also one website from Europe. I will put both of them. So now we have seen the unboxing and also some technical details about the adapter. I hope to make the third part as soon as possible. I don't know but which time, because you know, I have to go to Croatia, and the situation now is not, I'm not able to go there because of Corona, stupid Corona. As soon as I will have the possibility, I will go there. I will install the adapter on the boat. I will document the installation, and also when I start it, I will show you the functionality, how fast it's booting, some other information about the apps, and especially from the navigation side. I hope you like these videos. It was the second part. If yes, please this one, and just make the abonnement of the channel, then you will be informed as soon as the third part of this series comes out. And yeah, thank you very much. Goodbye.